Hello friends, today I've got an opportunity to drive Kia Seltos. I was simply amazed since I have been working in artificial intelligence sector for the automobiles. I was simply amazed the way they have really capitalized the opportunities that are available and they have made it in a very affordable cost. I'm just going to go through in a quick manner to see what are the features that you can really get benefited with this Seltos. We can see that they've got an amazing touchscreen stuff and it has got all the features available there for media, radio, navigation, map, volume up, down, and the touchscreen is very real time and reactive. This is something that I would really like to tell you. This touchscreen is very awesome. And coming to the next thing that is very impressive is the charging option here, the charging deck here, and it is wireless charging deck that we have there. And if your phone supports wireless charging, well, you go ahead and place it. That's all. I'm going to show you one demo right now, and I'm going to keep an iPhone which supports the wireless charging option, and you could see that immediately that is enabled. And otherwise you have the normal charging options available as well, and the keys, even in the normal cars these days you get this kind of keys, so it's no greater thing, but this is really cool too. And coming to the next set of things, this is a real cool handlebar for the gear stuff, and it's very comfortable. It's really very comfortable, and you've got 6 gears, and the reverse goes with an option to really use this lever here, and you need to press this lever a little bit and then move it to the top left. So this is one feature that is pretty new for us in India. And if you see that, we've got 4 options available here: 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you go closer, this is the one that gets you air conditioned stuff for your seat. You can see that here we have got options available, and this gets you real cool air for you to sit comfortably. This is for the left hand side and this is for the driver. So you get the modes available for both of us, and it's going to be really cool for you. And this one is really amazing, where you get the complete features supported for the surrounding view. We've got multiple options here and multiple types of views for your safety is all provided, and you could see that it's all absolutely real time. It's a 360-degree view, and if you see that, this one is really cool feature. It gets you a simulated view, or they call it satellite view actually. So the satellite view of your car, wherever you move, you can see that. And also we get an alert when somebody is very close to us in a close proximity, so that it could cause accidents or something like that. And the parking alert has to be enabled for that. We've got a parking alert option available here. We can enable and disable, but it's preferred that we go enabled with that. This is one of the features that I wanted to highlight, and the most important thing is the beautiful dashboard. It's really cool. And I have one more thing that I have to tell you. When we have the habit of driving in the highway, we have the habit of looking into the dashboard to see what is the speed at which we are cruising at. So they have avoided that problem now, and they have got something called as HUD, and I'm going to show you that. I'm enabling the HUD here. Just press it, and you could see that there will be a guy who is coming out right now, and that guy will be showing you the speed at which you are cruising, and the driver will have a very comfortable view at it. I'm not driving right now, but when you go closer and when you drive, you could see that there is a 0 visible over there in green color, and that is very visible for me when I see from here, because since it is mobile and since we are shooting it from a distance, you could see a 0 there. So when I increase the acceleration in the highway, I need not bend my head so much to see that. Also it is pretty easy for anybody to see, and directions are also updated there pretty clearly. So this HUD is something amazing which is included, and it can go in immediately if you do not want it. It's all very good. And coming to the next set of it, one other feature that I wanted to really talk about is the way they have structured the entire setup over here. So the windows are power windows options, and it's all going to be really fast, and it's really you could see that all these are being enabled and being closed or opened very fast, and you can adjust the position of it as well. These are all some of the features that I wanted to highlight, but the most important thing that I wanted to highlight is the options available for adjusting your seating. So you have got hydraulic support here, which is a little expensive option, but still when you do that, you can see that my seat is moving up or down or front, and the angle of the seat gets adjusted automatically, and you could see that here the seat goes off and comes back. This is all pretty superb features at this cost. For this cost, I think they have given a lot more than what is really possible. And the cruise control is also supported, and when I put an indicator, for an example, you could see that immediately. This is one of the features that all cars can have. When I put an indicator, you can see that immediately the camera gets activated and you get the view of how exactly things look like in the direction that you are turning. And if you see that here real time, you can see that everything is tracked aptly as well, and all these views are really perfect. And this is very, very important. We have got voice assistant support as well, and we've got a lot more modes. This is like normal cars which are traditionally okay, and higher end cars, all these cars have these features, but this one is real cool. And all the buttons, if you see, this is all really nice, so easy to handle, and this is really, really good. And we've got cruise control mode, I told you I think a little earlier. And that's it. This is a quick view of how this car looks like, and this is the cool Kia Seltos for you. Thank you.